a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. CoinSwitch has launched a 600 crore rupees recovery program called CoinSwitch Cares to support WazirX users impacted by the July 2024 cyber attack. Users can estimate their losses and switch to CoinSwitch, where funds will be transferred once WazirX releases them. The initiative runs for 24 months, with most users expected to recover 100% of their losses within 8 months. Additionally, users can earn rewards including sign-up, revenue redistribution, and referral bonuses credited starting February 2025. Spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in the United States scooped up almost 3 times the nearly 14,000 coins produced by miners in December 2024. December was a huge month for spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US, which accumulated about 51,500 BTC according to data averaged from Apollo and Bitbo. Meanwhile, only 13,850 coins were added to the circulating supply in the month, according to blockchain.com, meaning Bitcoin demand from ETFs alone was about 272% more than the amount supplied. Pierre Poilievre, a Bitcoin advocate and the leader of Canada's Conservative Party, has become the front-runner to become the country's next prime minister based on Polymarket odds. Predictions on the decentralized platform show Poilievre has an 89% chance of victory, down slightly from an earlier 92%. His closest rivals, Chrystia Freeland and Jagmeet Singh, lag significantly with 5% and 2% odds respectively. Meanwhile, the odds on US-based prediction platform Kalshi paint a completely different picture, with Freeland in the lead with a 45% probability, followed by Mark Carney at 25%, while Poilievre chances are much lower at 16%. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau recently announced that he would step down as Liberal Party leader and subsequently as Prime Minister once a successor is chosen. Interestingly, Polymarket bettors had accurately predicted Trudeau's resignation within this week. Dutch regulators awarded 4 digital asset service operators new crypto licenses, allowing them to operate anywhere in the European Union under MiCA. MoonPay, Bitstate, Fintech, ZBD and Hidden Road were approved by the Dutch Authority for Financial Markets to receive markets in crypto asset licenses in the Netherlands. The 4 companies joined firms like Circle and Socios.com in securing regulatory permission under the European Union's new regulatory route. The Solana network has surpassed Ethereum and Base combined in 24-hour decentralized exchange trading volume, according to data from DeFi Llama. According to DeFi Llama, daily trading volume across Solana-based DEXs neared $3.8 billion on Jan 6 versus $1.7 billion for Ethereum and $1.2 billion for Base, Ethereum's most popular Layer 2 scaling network. The growing trading volume highlights the Solana network's expanding role in decentralized finance and its position as a competitor to Ethereum. Strive Asset Management, co-founded by Vivek Ramaswamy, has filed for Bitcoin bond ETF with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. This ETF, if approved, will allow traditional financial institutions to invest in Bitcoin through bonds, with trading set to occur on the New York Stock Exchange. The funds plan to allocate over 80% of its exposure to company-issued Bitcoin bonds, including derivatives, swaps, and options related to Bitcoin firms. The ETF will distribute income weekly and operate within the EA Series Trust framework. The US Commodity Futures Trading Commission has reached a proposed agreement with Gemini Trust Company to resolve a civil case which, if approved by a judge, would prevent a trial. Under the terms of the consent order, Gemini would pay a $5 million penalty and be prohibited from making false statements to the CFTC. The case stems from Gemini's 2017 attempt to offer Bitcoin futures contracts, where the CFTC alleged the company made misleading statements and did not disclose favorable fee arrangements with certain market participants. The proposed order also requires Gemini to admit that its statements were false or misleading. A federal judge has set the civil trial start date for January 21, 2025, with no further delays permitted. The CFTC has recovered over $17 billion in penalties from various crypto firms in the 2024 fiscal year and is actively pursuing additional case against crypto firms. Cryptocurrency ETP started 2025 strong with $585 million in inflows during the first 3 days of the year. However, the heavy selling in the last days of 2024 led to $75 million in net outflows for the previous week. Despite this dip, 2024 was a record year for crypto ETFs with $44.2 billion in inflows, a 320% increase from 2021. Bitcoin-led ETPs accounted for the bulk of these inflows with $38 billion, while Ether-based ETPs saw $4.8 billion in inflows. The total asset under management for crypto ETPs reached $160.6 billion in 2024, with notable contributions from XRP and multi-asset products. The US was the largest buyer of crypto ETPs, contributing $44.5 billion, while Canada was the biggest seller with $707 million in outflows. United States-based spot Bitcoin exchange unit funds saw a strong rebound in early January 2025, recording nearly $1.9 billion in net inflows on January 3rd and January 6th, following a period of low demand in December. The largest inflows came from Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund, which attracted $370.2 million, followed by BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin ETF and ARK 21 Shares Bitcoin ETF. Other ETFs such as Bitwise and Grayscale's Bitcoin ETFs also saw significant inflows. Iris Energy reported a significant increase in Bitcoin mining capacity and efficiency, achieving a 450% growth in hash rate and a hardware profit margin of 77%. The company mined 529 Bitcoins in December, generating $52.1 million in revenue, and is on track to expand its capacity to 50 exahashes by the first half of 2025. Additionally, the company continued its expansion in AI and HPC services, enhancing its market positioning with the installation of nearly 1,900 NVIDIA GPUs. That's all in this bulletin for now. This is Miyuchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.TV, and for more information stories log on to our website www.3watchtv.io or scan the QR code.